In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, we visit the Camperdown High School in Kingston, where administrators are on a mission to remind students why it's cool to be fully bright. Ken Morgan has more.
It's a Brite Kulcha Day at the Camperdown High School in Kingston, and students are excited as they're entertained while being lectured about the importance of having an education. It's an initiative spearheaded by the Guidance Department in a bid to counteract the fully dunce narrative that's been heavily promoted throughout social media.
We want students to understand that it is okay to be bright. You know, even though your entertainers and the persons that you like are saying the opposite, really and truly, they actually have an education. I said to them sometimes that Alkaline was on Junior Spoon Challenge quiz.
Tamika Binga is a health and family life teacher.
Early this morning we had our Boys Day and Girls Day that really helped students understand what it means to be a female, what it means to be a male, understanding your roles in society.
The message was not only endorsed through songwriting, math and poster competitions, among others. Professionals were also invited to empower the students. Businessman, artist and photographer Craig Pang Sang implored students to not be consumed by negatives in their environment.
Especially in the arts, a lot of negativity that they say that yes, it's our life, so we should show it. I also think that in music and art, if we show the positive side, there's a huge influence we as the adults are responsible for passing on to the youth. You know, a lot of them are growing up in single homes and no mentors, and that road is not an easy road.
Associate clinical psychologist Delisha Wisdom had a message for the girls.
There's a lot of judgment that happens in teenage life as a part of just growing older, and peer pressure, those things are natural parts of being a teenager, and so it's very important for them to recognize that it is normal for them to feel some of that pressure, and they get to choose what type of pressure they submit to.
Ms. Binga is certain the initiative will leave a positive impact.
Because we're going to be seeing grades going up, because there's a theory about behavioral theories. When students are rewarded for positive behavior, it increases that behavior. So we're hoping the more they see the benefits of being bright, you know, of taking your work seriously, having a healthy social life and creating that balance, it will create that trend and that replication.
I want a future, and I know that everyone else wants a future. Everyone wants to have them big car. I can look at my dream car and say, yeah, that me I go get when we're big. And I take the advice, I do.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.